In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create promo videos in Canva. If you've been wanting a fast, polished way to showcase a product, announce a sale, or hype up an event, this walkthrough will help you get it done with confidence, even if you're brand new to Canva. All you'll need is a Canva account and an idea of the message you want to share. Start on the Canva homepage and click on Templates. This takes you to a curated hub of ready-made designs, which is the quickest path to a professional-looking promo without building everything from scratch. In the search bar, type promo videos and hit enter. You'll see a gallery of video templates in different styles and industries: bold and energetic, clean and minimalist, playful, corporate, and more. If you're aiming for a specific vibe, look closely at colors, type styles, and the pacing shown in previews. Take a moment to browse through the templates. Hover to preview motion and check how many scenes are included. Look for a layout that naturally fits your message. Maybe a strong opener for your headline, a couple of short sections for features or benefits, and a closing scene for your call to action. Choosing a template that already mirrors your structure will save time later. When you found a good match, click Customize this template. The design opens in the editor with your pages on the left, the canvas in the center, and editing controls up top. If the template is multi-scene, you'll see each scene as a separate page. Now it's time to edit the template. Replace the main headline with your core message. Keep it short, punchy, and easy to read at a glance. Update subtext with key details. Adjust fonts if needed, but limit yourself to one or two to maintain a clean look. Swap colors to align with your brand. High contrast helps legibility. To replace visuals, click any photo or video and choose a new one from the library, or upload your own. You can trim video clips by dragging their edges and adjust the crop to keep the subject centered. Refine timing and motion so the story flows. Select a page to set its duration. Aim for concise scenes, around 5 to 8 seconds each. Apply or tweak animations. Subtle fades and slides usually feel more professional than flashy effects. Reorder, duplicate, or delete scenes to match your narrative. If the template includes music, adjust its volume and trim to fit your final length, or choose a different track that fits your tone. Press the play button to preview from start to finish. Check pacing, alignment, and spelling, then fine-tune until it feels clear and compelling. And that's it. Click Templates, search promo videos, browse, customize, and edit. With a solid template and a few thoughtful tweaks, you'll have a polished promo ready to impress.